This is the Amazon Echo Dot Max, and Amazon says it's the smartest, richest sounding Echo yet. But after spending real time with it, I found a few things they don't tell you in the ads. Does it live up to the hype, or is this just a pricey, better Dot? Let's dig in. Amazon Echo Dot Max product overview. Okay, so what's the Echo Dot Max? It's Amazon's premium upgrade to the Echo Dot line, launched in late 2025 at a $99.99 price point. The pitch? Deliver much better audio than the regular Dot while still serving as a full smart home hub. It's clearly targeted to people who like their smart speakers compact but don't want to sacrifice sound quality or smart home control. Amazon describes it as roughly the same size as a HomePod Mini, though with a flatter spherical design, and says it offers nearly 3 times the bass of its predecessor. So, in a nutshell, familiar Echo, leveled up audio, smarter internals. Amazon Echo Dot Max performance. Specs are nice, but how does it actually feel day to day? I use the Echo Dot Max in my living room, mixed use, music, podcasts, smart home control, and in my kitchen, voice commands while cooking, and here's what stood out. Responsiveness and microphone pickup. The device handled voice commands well, even when I had music playing. That said, in very noisy environments like the kitchen with a blender going, Alexa occasionally misheard me. The new AZ3 chip, edge computing, better noise filtering, helps, but it's not perfect. Switching between tasks, jumping from play podcast to dim lights and lower volume, happened fluidly, with minimal lag. It felt snappy, no multi-second wait times. Consistency. Over the week I used it, performance stayed stable, no weird slowdowns or hangs, so the hardware and firmware seem well matched. Features and tech. Let's dig into what's special here and why you might care. 1. Two-way speaker system, woofer and tweeter. Amazon upgraded the internals to include a high excursion woofer and a custom tweeter. The result, much fuller sound with more depth and bass than prior Dots. In listening tests, bass was more noticeable and songs felt richer. 2. AZ3 chip plus edge computing. This is more than just a spec bump. The AZ3 lets the device do more processing on the device itself, better wake word detection, quicker voice processing, and less reliance on the cloud. That contributes to the responsiveness and privacy a bit that you feel when it reacts faster. 3. Smart Home Hub capabilities. It supports Zigbee, Matter, Thread, all in one, so it can act as a hub for all your smart devices without requiring a separate hub. That's a big plus, especially if you're consolidating a growing smart home. Also, the ability to pair multiple Echo Dot Max units for surround sound is a neat feature, especially for people who want immersive audio without running wires. Design and build. Visually, the Echo Dot Max leans into a flattened spherical look. It's not a perfect sphere, more like a round pill shape. Amazon moved the touch controls and LED ring to the front face, which helps with user feedback. You can see Alexa smiling or listening. The materials feel premium. Amazon uses acoustically transparent 3D knit fabric and high-quality plastics where needed. The finish resists fingerprinting fairly well, but if you have sticky fingers or kids around, expect occasional smudges. It's compact, light enough to move around, yet feels solid. One concern, since it's fabric and knit, dust can stick to it more than a plastic shell would. Pros. Huge step up in audio fidelity, real bass and clarity. Packed with smart home hub features, Zigbee, Matter, Thread. Responsive AI and edge computing make Alexa feel snappier. Compact but premium design. Cons. In noisy environments, voice recognition can still struggle. Doesn't replace a display-based Echo for visual smart home control. And for some queries, Alexa Plus still gives generic answers. Final verdict? So, is the Amazon Echo Dot Max worth your hard-earned cash? In short, yes, if what you want is a compact, powerful, voice-first smart home speaker that actually sounds good. This is an excellent option if you don't need a screen, but you want quality audio, a full smart home hub, and a modern AI under the hood. If you're a casual user who already has Echoes scattered around, this is a compelling upgrade. If you're someone who likes to tap and see what's happening, visual controls, camera, video calls, the Echo Dot Max won't replace a smart display, but it complements it beautifully. Also, if you live in a noisy environment, busy kitchen, open loft, sometimes the voice recognition system might miss a beat.